Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. So today, due to popular request, we're going to be trying glow-in-the-dark polygels, and I am so stoked for this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, 80% of you on Instagram chose the glow-in-the-dark polygels for today. And we're going to be trying these 4 colors today from QBD. And the first color that we're going to be swatching is called Corn Poppy, and it's number 05. And it's this really cute pink color. I really like it. It reminds me of cotton candy. The next color is called Sakura. It's 09, and it's this very nice light nude kind of pink color. The next one is called Red Rose. It's number 11, and it is a beautiful red rose color, just like the name. And the last one, I wanted to try something different. It's number 08, and it's called Violet, and it's this very beautiful rich purple. So here are all of the colors after I cured them. And as always, we're gonna be starting off with already prepped nails. I have applied tips and a base coat, and we're jumping straight into applying the polygel. Now for this first nail, I wanted to try sort of a triangular, like half split design. So I'm simply applying the color on the lower part of the nail near the cuticle, and then I start blending it upwards, covering half of the nail. Then I'm gonna go in with my other color, and I'm going to fill in the gap. Now I was expecting these colors to be a little bit more colored, I guess, but they were a bit opaque. So in order for me to preserve the polish as much as possible, I covered the design with a layer of clear polygel. And then I just took off the excess. For the next nail, I'm going to be using the Sakura color as a base color, and I decided to do a bit of an ombre with the red rose polish. And as you can probably see, I used a little bit too much polygel on this nail. I'm so used to making super long nails, and I wanted to start doing more shorter nail designs for you guys, because I know that a lot of people can't wear super long nails on a daily basis. I honestly don't either. I usually take them off after videos. So I had to remove a little bit of the product and come back and smooth it out and smoothen out the ombre as well. And once again, I had to cover this design with some clear polygel to preserve the ombre. For the middle finger, I decided to do another sort of ombre design with some clear polygel, where I added some beautiful purple and pink colored butterflies. I'm still super in love with the whole butterfly nail trend. I really love butterflies. They're so reflective and pretty, and I like the color that they add to any design. And right now they're perfect for spring. So the ombre is going to happen with this beautiful purple color, and you can see here that I'm adding it to the base of the nail and then slowly smoothing it upwards so that it can create a nice transition between the two colors and the butterflies. I also decided to recreate the same design on the thumb, and since it has a bigger area, it gives you more space to add more butterflies, which is always good. And once again, we're taking some of the purple polygel, applying it to the base of the nail, and smoothing it upwards. After you are done curing the nails, you will need to add a layer of clear top coat to these nails as well to encapsulate the design and make sure the butterflies and the ombre stay in place. Now for the last nail, I'm going to take the corn poppy color and cover the entire nail with it. Now after you have cured all of the nails, you're gonna go ahead and take some paper and your cleaning solution and just take the tacky layer off of all of the nails so we can prepare for filing. And straight after that, we're gonna jump straight into the filing process. I just showed you guys how I filed the sides a little bit because this is a lengthy process, and this became a little bit chunkier than I wanted because of the polygel encapsulation on top, so I just had to take some time off camera to make them look good. But very soon after they look like this, they're all filed and ready for a non-wipe top coat. As you can see, the colors are beautiful, the butterflies are super sparkly, and they look very, very glossy and nice. Just look at those butterflies, they're so pretty. So here they are, but of course you know me, we're gonna go in for some bling, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna be using these beautiful rhinestones today. I'm going to be adding some of my Vanillisa nail glue and putting a beautiful centerpiece on this nail. I didn't really like how the ombre came out, so I just wanted to cover it up a little bit, and you know, these beautiful rhinestones are perfect for this job. So I also decided to add some of these dark purple crystals to my pointer finger as well. I have used this a bit in the past few videos, but I really like it and I wanted to use more of it. So here I am just adding some caviar beads along with the rhinestones to create this beautiful design. And last but not least, we're going to be adding some cuticle oil to nourish our cuticles. And here they are! I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun making this. Please leave a like, leave a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. And let me know if you have any ideas about looks or styles you would like me to recreate. And I know you must be dying to see what they look like when they're glowing in the dark. So here they are. Look at how bright and vibrant these colors are. I was so impressed. If you guys were impressed as well, leave me a like. And I will see you guys next Tuesday with another video. Bye-bye!